a reason.
Generation 7.
We have a reason.
Generation 7.
We have a reason.
We have a reason.
Generation 7.
Ate tuzettanire tubikole. Ne mbagamba nti zaatandikira ku Youth Livelihoods abavubuka ne tuleeta baamu ng'ate oli azaali zaffe ne wajja emyoga nazo ne tutakola kye kimu. So akaseera kano tulina emyoga gikyaliko, tukubiriza abakoleeta baffe okubaako we beenyigira. Then tulina PDM weeri nga message ya President ya social economic transformation, okwekulaakulanya mu mbeera zaffe n'ez'okwegaggawaza tusobole okugoba obwavu ffenna wamu nga bannayuganda.
Teamwork and produce results. Of course, now we are not going into campaigns, but now we are moving to preach the gospel of development in the country, because our first mission was to make sure that NRM gets into power, which we did. Now we are preaching the gospel of development, and I call upon my team to come on board. We move the gospel, because our work is to supplement what the other government officials are doing and political leaders. And
Catherine Hellen Kamwine are my names, the resident city commissioner for Portal City. I was meeting the youth of Generation 7 and appreciating them of the work they are doing. Because out there the picture on youth is different. They think all the youth are in opposition, which is not true. Some youth support NRM and they are strong on it. But I think it is a misconception that people think all the youth don't support the party, which is not true. But also even the youth who are not supporting NRM, it's because maybe they are not told and they are not valued. But even in the opposition where they go, still the opposition doesn't have a manifesto. We are using NRM manifesto in the country because it has been winning. And the manifesto of NRM includes youth. We have been supporting them. We don't exclude them on government programs. We don't have any challenges with them. So I call upon all the youth to join the government and work. We work together. Let them enroll on PDM. Let's go into Myoga, because it's all tailored for all Ugandans, not for individuals. I thank the youth who are supporting NRM, but I also call on others to join us and we move our country forward.